Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good morning. Good morning. What up, Timbo, Donovan, Miss K, Jan, Luis, Tony in the house. Range is set at 56 points. Opening range this morning, that looks like 4 micros is the deal. 56 points. I'm just trying to think here. Let's see. What's wrong? Yeah, 112. Morning trades by now, Rafi. So 112 stop loss. I think I'm going to just go 224 take profit. Let's go 200. I'm not really going to go for a runner today, I don't think. I'm going to just not go for a runner. All right. No runner today on the order play for me because thing is 56 points. I mean, from here to here is 56 to the data high. So I like that. From here to here to the equal lows is about 50. So I'm just going to take my 50 points and bounce. That's what we're going to do. Take the 50 points and bounce out. All right. Morning, Robert. Let's see if we got any news today. Oil news at 10:30. Didn't really see anything. 10-year note auction at 1. Not much. We'll see what Mancini's talking about today. Clarity in the house. What up, Robert? Don't know if I told you what up. Let's see. Watch for traps of the 67, 69 area. We already kind of pushed below there once, now pushing up. Data high on the ES sitting up there at 6804. There is no relative equal lows on the ES like there is on Nasdaq. So that is kind of interesting. We shall see. Guys, my OBS is nonstop disconnecting this morning. I do not know what's going on, but it's not a good sign for the stream today. Keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. Kind of annoying. All right, getting everything set up. All right, pretty big gap here. I mean, it would be nice if it opened up inside the gap. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new. Exclamation point MM if you want to enter the giveaway. In the chat. So the top side of the gap here, we got the previous day close, we got the open, we got 25,000 level, we got the VWAP, we got all that stuff right there at the high. I kind of prefer the low be taken first, but that being said, what are you going to do? It takes what it takes. It goes the direction it wants to go. Nothing we can do about it. We got 8 minutes until open, a little over 8 minutes. It's at the top of the range right now. I'd like for it to kind of just stay inside the range. That'd be ideal. Morning, trading for keeps. How you doing? If it goes for the high, you need to have your trigger on break even because of all the stuff that is waiting there. Well, there's not anything I can do about that as far as like if it breaks to the upside. We're just going to have to trust it to just go, right? I mean, it's nothing we can do about it. If we're playing it mechanically, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't love the size of the gap. The thing that I do like about it is that we do have liquidity on both sides. We have equal lows, almost triple equal lows at 893. Relative equal lows down there. And then we have a data high at 25,056. So, for those reasons, I like the liquidity on both sides. The question is, will we get stopped out before it takes, like, for example, like, does it push up, get a little rejection back in, stop me out, and then go? I mean, that's always a potential. It's always a potential possibility. More than likely, it probably breaks out of the range. Yeah, that's what I was about to say, Jen. It's probably going to break out of the range and push towards it before the market even opens. So you get the feeling when you got those obvious draws, it starts just kind of wavering in that direction, just kind of grinding in that direction. So, like I said, also another thing I don't love about the upside draw is you got the open and the previous day close right there. So like, it could wick out of there at open, fill the gap, and decide to go down for the equal lows and then rip back higher. I don't know. Good news is we're only risking $200 if we take it. So, and if it hits, that'd be nice. That would be nice. Let's make sure the copier is on. It is. Everything's good. Good morning, Luis. What up, happy kids? Your first day here? Welcome in, happy kids. Welcome in. hope it drops. What up, Mad Moxie? Alexi in the house. Hope everybody has a green day. Let's go, Mad Moxie. It'd be nice. Trading CPI, you're red. That sucks, Clarity. To the VWAP in the world beyond. Oh. Here's the thing. I'm going to say this about the opening range. I'm going to say this. If this pushes up and it takes out the data high, even at open, and it pulls back, I am not longing a pushback out. I'm not. My only trade I'll take at that point is going to be the short. I'm not going to take the long if it pushes up, takes this out, and then pulls back. Not going to do it. So do you know anything on this wealth charts? 2 past accounts on CPI News, they blocked the accounts. Oh, 2 PA accounts. Are you saying you pass accounts on the news, or you're saying that you traded PA accounts? Yeah, I mean, you can't hedge, number one, on Apex any longer. So if you're hedging, that could be why. Or if it's a PA account, you're not supposed to trade PA accounts on news either, technically. Technically, you're not. So yeah, I don't know. Pushing up here outside the range. Mark says get ready for the grind. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if it's eval account, Alfred, you should be fine as long as you didn't hedge. The thing is, trading news events like that, you could make money and still blow the accounts. That's the kick in the nuts about it. The fills are going to be horrible. All that kind of stuff. So that's kind of the issue with it. Gonna reset my charts here. One account, 3 pops all along. Nice. Okay, what's going on here? I mean, I restarted the connection. What's taking so long? Well, I didn't realize it was going to take it so long. All right, there we go. Let's back up. Yep, there you go, guys. Looks like it's going to be short only. Probably going to be short only. Only at open. That 5 minute got rebalanced. The data 5 minute Wick. Yeah, what up, Trading Star? Looks like it's going to just open up and blast right through this 56 area here. So, oh, let me get the orders out here. I didn't even do that yet. Sell stop limit. Yes. OCO. The only way I'll take the long is if it pulls back into the thing. So the only way I'm going to take the long is if we pull back into the range. Nope, never mind. So I'm not even taking the long, guys. There's no way. Long is off. So I'll take the short. That's it. If the short triggers here. Easy long for 40 points. Let's go. There's not anything I could do there. I mean, like, could I have taken it pre-market? Yeah, I could have. But there's draws on both sides. Like, you just have no idea if it's going to hit or not. You really don't know. So. So I will still take the short if we get the opportunity. We hit that 109 overnight. We did. I called that out as the draw on liquidity before I went to sleep. We did hit that. Classy Nazi. Yeah. That gave you the final confidence you needed. Yeah, I like the wick up there. Obviously, I thought it was a very clear draw, but the problem is I would have to got in pre-market. Now, one thing to note on the pre-orb, and this is something I did not backtest. If you entered pre-market over the last 3 weeks, there's been 6 trade opportunities. 5 of those have won. Yeah, Jan, it may not. It may not. I did take that on an eval. Did take it on an eval past an Apex account. So I did take it right there on that Apex eval, but that's it. I didn't jump into it anything else. Made too much money on that eval somehow. I guess my math wasn't mathing. It made $4,000. Yeah, Jamie. Yeah, I mean that's the thing. It's like it's such a good play. I mean, it really is. It's around all. It's between 55 and 60%, depending upon if you're adding in the pre-market plays or not. Which I don't add in the pre-market plays. But man, it's such a good trade. It's really a great trade with the 2R. I just can't bring myself to enter it pre-market. I don't know why. I just can't. I haven't back tested the pre-market, so that's kind of why. Kind of a, I mean, like, I know we're pushing up here, but kind of a muted open, right? you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We did cross over 9,400 subscribers last night. Let's go. Less than 600 away for the 10K mark. Maybe we can get there in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I think we can. Maybe a month at the most. The question now is, do I just wait for the opening range low to break, or do we actually take like an IFVG short here? I don't know. Times it still goes back into the range. Jan, it can go back into the range as long as it doesn't hit your stop. It's 5 for the last 6 pre-market. That's pretty good odds. Now I didn't include the pre-market plays in my back testing or my forward testing, right? I'm only noticing. I'm only seeing what, I'm only noticing it in real time. So like I did not back test it breaking out pre-market. So I don't know what the results are from that. And I don't want to spend 4 hours going back through looking at that stuff again. I probably should have paid attention to it, but I did not. So, yeah, like even yesterday's pulled back into the gap, but you wouldn't have been stopped out. You only pulled back in like 6 points. Also, of note here, guys, ES has not taken the data high yet. ES has not taken the data high. Oh, what do we got here? Guys, we got a new promotion coming out of my Fender Futures at 10. I'll let you guys know about. At 10 o'clock, we got a new promo coming out. So I'm still leaving the short on there, just, you know. I don't know that it even triggers, but I might leave that sitting there. I'm not quite sure. Good morning, Mini Trader. How's it going? Exclamation point MM in the chat, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway. All right, I'm going to move this chart off. I'll let you guys know if I decide to leave that on or not. For now, I'll leave it on. We may just not get a trade today on those. Maximus, been on vacation for the past weeks. Is it correct that Apex now enforces contract scaling on legacy evals? No. I haven't seen any legacy rules are the same. Legacy rules are the same. Nothing changed. So you're allowed to trade 10 minis on the legacy accounts just as you were before. Nothing changed on the legacy accounts. Whatever you got done, whatever happened, whatever the rules were with the previous legacy accounts are the same, basically. Yes, pushing up here 6,800. You can only trade up to 5 on the legacy? That's weird. Are you on the funded or the eval? You're in the eval stage? The funded, yes, it's supposed to be limited to 5, but in the eval, it should be 10. It's 6 on the new Apex accounts. That's what I just passed. I passed an end of day Apex account there. Looks like we're going to take the overnight high up there at the 123.50 level. Yeah, that's weird, Maximus. That's so strange. Lewis, why what? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what your question. What are you asking? What are you asking? You lost me. You lost me. I think we're going to take out the overnight high here. Yeah, let me know, Maximus, because if that's true, then that's something new I haven't heard. Everything I read said that nothing changed with the legacy accounts, but and also like why would they let you trade less contracts on legacy than they are on the new products, right? You can trade 6 on the new products. Room beats in the house. I'm gonna take a bit of an aggressive long here. Get my orders out just in case we pull back. I like this level because ES has not ran the data wick yet. I think that's our sign that we're going to run the overnight high. Whether it goes now, whether not, who knows? Yeah, Coper, I don't like using the divergences with the data high, though. So that's just me. I feel like the data high is not a good SMT. Yes, holding up there previous day close that 67, what is that? 67.98 area. Yeah, not Coper. I agree. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Very aggressive buy here. Yeah, Jan. They said, oh, MM's in the trade. Let's go back. Let's pull back here. Let's give a little pullback. Yes, back to the VWAP. Where's my... Oh, it's down there. I was like, where's my VWAP? Do got a new 15-minute candle here in just over a minute. Might retest like 58 here. Tagged in there on the ad. Let's just wait. A lot of sales in the ES, yeah. I'm not going to panic out. We're just going to let it do its thing for now. So ES pushing back up there, reclaiming the VWAP. Right there on that new 15-minute candle. Slow drip. What up, bro? Good luck to you as well. Good morning. Can we get pushed up here? Yes, kind of hanging out there, 67.90s. What up, Adam? Watching and waiting, guys. Nothing to do right now. If we kind of dump back through kind of that 25,000 level, I think that'll kind of be my line in the sand. Dun, 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 dun. Rumi's fine. I don't know if he shows his face or not. I did invite him to be a guest host on My Funded TV. But I didn't realize he doesn't show his face. I don't know. Yeah, Adam, we'll see. Yeah, so probably next Thursday. Next Thursday. So. I don't know anything about FSP, to be honest. I mean, I know he, he does the praying and stuff, but I don't know a whole lot about him, to be honest. And he rotates accounts. That's all I really know about him. It's pulling back, guys. It's pulling back. What am I supposed to do? Oh no, he'll have to show his face. Yeah, gotta show the face. Gotta show the face. Raul, I think if you show your face, it's better. People want to know who they looking at. They want to know who they looking at. We'll close outside the 15-minute zone. Where's the zone at? Why is my... Oh, there it is. 25.035? Is that right? That's the low. Oh, the zone's up there. There's a guy that shows a potato face. Yeah. No face, no case. Is it ICT? That would be funny. 67.62. Nice. Used to trade the 5-minute candle, but I recently learned that I should wait for the 15. It's subjective, you know. It's whatever you like. It's whatever you like. All right. Kind of in the line, at the line in the sand here. What about Fei? Could reverse here. Yeah, we'll see. Did close below the 15-minute opening range there. Morning, Rob. Pretty good reaction there off the 21 EMA, 25K level. Guy called Red Day Green Day has a pretty good audience, no face. Yeah. I mean, you don't have to show your face. I'm just saying, like, it's better if you do. See if we get the squeeze going. Can we get back through the 9 EMA there? So far, not so much. Yes, back tested the 91, 92 area. One trade off this 20 and you're done for the day. Let's go. We get this close above the 60 here. That'll be nice. We get a clean close back above the 9 here. Should be able to continue higher. Took the short. You're up on your evals looking for a good trade on the fundeds. Let's go. Maybe could have scaled out more there, but wasn't sure about it. Yeah, I don't like using the SMTs, but like especially with the data high, I just think ES is eventually going to take out the data high. Now, how's it going to get there? I have no clue. I have no idea, obviously. We're in the long here. I'm not hating it. I think it's okay. ES has took out the data high, the spy head. Yeah. It didn't over here on the actual so still got to take out the 6804.50. So we get a good candle close here. Yeah, that's a little weird. Not sure how often that happens. I don't even watch the SPY, to be honest. That's a pretty good candle close there. See if we start to squeeze. I'm going to move these two down a little bit here. Still look for that high, the overnight high there. All right, now it looks like it's a good time to go break even. See if we can squeeze right through there. Did I drop TPT? What do you mean? I don't know what Bulox has going on. They were 89%. No, I'm still trading with TPT. TPT is my favorite. What are we talking about? They're my favorite, bro. Let me see what Bewley's got going on. 89% ends today. So the ends today. Code MM. Top of the hour here. You could not see the TPT banner. It's cut off. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. No, I got TPT. Code MM. There it is. Look at it go. All right, now I'm up $220, 220.54. Let's go. She's a runner. By the way, I canceled my orb trade, guys. I'm not taking that. ES just took out the data high there. Overnight high up there, 68.22. All right, guys. The rapid plan is $97. Rapid is $97 on my funded futures. Or code MM if you want that. $97. Want to help support the channel? Use code MM. You the man. Appreciate you. Close over 140. We bull. Oh, you grabbed 3 this morning? That sucks, man. 90. What did I say it was? $97, $98 for the rapid plan. The 50K rapid. $97. $50K rapid, $97. You didn't get tagged in? Oh, dang it. Didn't quite get you. That sucks. Yeah, Adam, it happens. No, it's not for first timers. They just launched it, so it might take it a few minutes for the code to be working. Sometimes that's what it does. Long hair for free cookies? I don't know, maybe. Yeah. 90 long. It feels like we are going to go up, but I don't know. Trying to go here. 141.81 hour swing levels. Previous day high is very close. Yeah, I got the previous day high marked up there with 217.75. I got 208. Overnight high on ES is not ran yet, so keep that in mind. There is an SMT technically, and it is not a data high. So if we get a death candle kind of through this, then maybe I change my bias to short. But I did take a little scalp long there. I moved my stop very quickly on the fundeds. I took like $68 or something like that. Nothing crazy. Just a quick little 2 micro scalp on this push back up off the 15-minute there. Let's see here. Oh, anybody entered the giveaway? Exclamation point MM in the chat. Is that thing working? It is working, right? Do I have the free or paid version of Streamlabs? Mine's free, Raul. Mine is free. Okay, there's the Streamlabs free account giveaway. There we go. So there is a potential long here. The risk to reward not very good though. 76 point stop for a 61 point target. It's definitely negative R here. I mean, you could target up there, but this would be a 2-minute long entry if we got back above the high of this candle here. Maybe you could get a better entry if this candle closes and then we get one more retest. You could maybe enter down here and get better R. I don't know. We'll see. I may take this. So if this candle closes here and then you get kind of a little consolidation candle, then you could long here. Could long here. So your stop is going to go at the swing here on this play. Stop right here. It's about 35 points from here. So tagged in. Oil's pumping. Is that a double entendre? Oil is ripping. Don't be rude. Well, we just gave back some profits there. Took the more aggressive entry. Yeah, 10:30 is oil news. Big news. ES working its way below the 90 here. I tried the long room, it didn't happen. Yeah, it didn't happen. Kind of holding up here. We are finding a little support. Yeah, I don't mind the ad here room. I really don't. I mean, I may try this again if we get back above the level here. All right, we're going to try it one more time. I mean, I do think it's bullish, but I don't know. Tagged in here. I want to see a quick move, a quick reaction here to the upside. Close above 115 would be really solid. We'll see if it can go. New 15-minute candle might push through. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. VWAP being raid boss on ES once again. Yeah, we are back at the VWAP. What happened? Do I freeze up here? What's going on? This connection, or is everything frozen? What's going on here? You guys still here? Looks like it's pulling back. I might get stopped. My Quan Tower's frozen, but my Ninja's working. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit weeks. You know how that is. They are slow with that stuff. It'll take a little bit, but it will come through. Morning later, do. I don't know. My chart's frozen here on Quan Tower, completely frozen. I'm about to get stopped, though. I can see the price over here on Ninja. We might get stopped. My stop is like right, what is it, 51.75? I don't know why Quan Tower's frozen. Come on, push it up here. I don't think it stopped me out there. Shouldn't have. Your Quan Tower's running with some delays and rhythmic. Yeah, I'm on DX feed. Is it reconnecting? What's it doing? Come on, rip it up. Connection timeout. Get through there. All right, we're back. Get back through these EMAs here, we can start to squeeze, kind of generating a little trend line here. Quad Tower's been weird. Yeah, I don't know why. I'm going to take one off here. I'm a little bit, got a little larger size on this one, 3 micros, larger than usual. Larger than last time. Decent close there. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Yeah, larger than life. Come on, rip it up. It's either going to dump hard or it's going to rip up hard. One or the other here soon. I don't really know which. Well, are we going up here, guys? Are we going down? What are we doing? Not sure. All right. This is no bueno. Looks like it's going to be going down. Hmm. $12 seconds on the candle close here. Stop me out. You're adding to the long room? All right, there we go. Pushing back down to the previous day close here. This could be a little bounce spot for 10 points. I should probably take it, but I missed it already. Previous day close there, 06, 0875. Clean bounce off that. So red 270 on this eval now. All right, they're saying the codes are not working right now on the My Funded Futures. So all right, took that little short scalp there, guys. We're up 110. Oh, I didn't even realize this Apex account is still on the copier. Oops. But little $110 winner on the Lucid accounts. So good to go there. Need like, what, 3 more $100 days on those, potentially. So I guess we'll take another. I'm probably not going to take any more trades on the Take Profit Trader. It's not a huge amount, but it's 113 bucks. It'd be another $90 daily payout. I'm going to close these down now. Now basically one trade away from payout on Bulenox, and then 3 $100 days away from a payout on Lucid. I am probably going to stick to gold on these accounts, kind of going forward. So it was a very quick trade. It's the only reason why I didn't pull it over. I literally got in on the close of this, and I stopped to break even at 14, and then I had my target just at the top of the opening range at 25,000. So that's all. I might let's do this. Well, actually, we don't even have to turn that on. I'm gonna set a short at the bottom of this opening range. We're going to go 93, 90 to 275 is what we want to be. Well, we'll go 250. And then I'm going to go, we'll take profit at 93.50. And the stop on this will be, like, whatever, 26 points. So yeah, I'm trading 50K Bulenox, Mark. 50K Bewley. And what I might do here, let's go 60 ticks. Something like that. You'd want to see this kind of hold below this. You want to see this hold. Okay, so how many contracts do I trade? One. On micros, so basically I trade one micro at a time. But on my funded accounts, like if I'm taking the opening range or something, I might trade 2 or 3 or 4, sometimes up to 6 micros, depending upon the size of the stop. on the particular trade that we're taking. So it really just depends. But on evals, you're going to see me go much bigger size. Like you can see, I'm going 10 micros here. Well, we are red right here, 271. So I'm going to be a little more aggressive on this eval. I could theoretically short from up here as well. Good short from up here with a stop at 079. Yeah, pretty choppy here. I'm going to go ahead and enter here with the 5. Go for 15 points here quickly. All right. Down 130 now. All right, Weeks. Looks like they got the codes working now. You can give them a try. What up, Marcin? Or whoever's trying to buy one. Let me check it myself too, actually. Let me check it myself. Yeah, it should be working now. Codes are working now. Code MM for $97 for the rapid plan, guys. I'm going to stab again here. Should get the push through. Actually said floppity flop flop. 10 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. All right, we're back to green, $11. What up, iTrades? iTrades, I got your email. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you a response there in just a little bit. But you didn't really miss too much. I mean, like, I don't know. Pretty small green day, up about $110 on the fundeds. But green is green, right? We'll take it. Not gonna complain about it. Not gonna complain. I'm actually going to move this up to 32, like that. Exclamation MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. We got 87 people in the giveaway right now. Let's hit that like button if you have not already. Help me out. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, no problem. I don't have a stop in on these, but I'm going to put it in. The stop will be 25 points on this trade here. 25 points. We're going to go for 10 on the break through the opening range low. The pre-orb, if you will. Putting in lower lows, lower highs over here on the Nasdaq. Yes, a little weaker here. Here's the thing. Mancini talked about that 83 level. Traps below there would trigger longs. So let me see if he said anything else in regards to that level. Need 300 to pass. Lucid, let's go. Good luck, sir. Protect gains, 33 to 51. He hasn't said anything. So, kind of back to that key area. Still think it pushes down, but we'll see. Kind of holding up here at the opening range, trying to get back above the open. ES recovering the 84. Could be a squeeze spot. Could be a squeeze spot. Could be a little squeezy spot here, guys. A little squeezy poo. We'll see. Got that wick sitting up there at the about the 40 area. Right up in here, 45s. That's probably where we're headed for the moment. I wouldn't doubt that we sweep this wick and then push back lower. Maybe put in a little protected wick here. You could just have your stop there. You could short out of that. What's the range today? Pretty small, huh? We did just set initial balance as well. I know that Trev mentioned that earlier. 220 point range. Remember, guys, we got relative equal lows down there, 893. There's three. We've had 3 drives into these lows, right? 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drives, and we didn't sweep them. So, like, that's my drone liquidity at this point. We're within 100 points of them. Feels like that's where we're going. Feels like that's where we're going. Still lower high here. I may have to start adding in. I think I'm going to add. I'm going to look for 10 total pre-market trades on the pre-orb. So I'm going to forward test it. We have the data for 6 pre-orb breakouts in the pre-market right now. It's 5 for 6. We're going to keep up with it for the next 4 pre-orb pre-market entries and see how it trades. And I mean, if it's 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, I mean, it's 5 for 6 right now. I don't see how it doesn't go at least 6 out of 10. Then we're going to start just taking it pre-market, because why not? I mean, if the win percentage is 50, 60%, that's what we're looking for. So we'll just start taking it pre-market. There's no reason not to at that point. I don't have any back testing data on it. Maybe I'll go back. Maybe I might just go back and look at the pre-orb over the last 60 traded days on the pre-market break and see how it did. Probably wouldn't take that long to do that. Just to kind of compile some data. Can't be that many over the last 60 days. Can't be more than 15 trades, maybe 20 at the most. Happens about once a week, twice a week at the max. It is 2 for 2 this week. We won Monday, we won Tuesday. No trade today, so it's 2 for 2 this week. Can't complain. Fortunately, Copy Trader was not on Monday. But that's not the trade's fault. That's my fault. Guys, remember, you can enter the giveaway on your alt account. I don't mind. We don't mind it. I'm going to be doing a Twitter giveaway. I'm probably going to start it tonight. It'll be my first ever Twitter giveaway. So if you're not following me on Twitter, at Methodical Man, go over there and follow me. If you want a chance to enter the Twitter giveaway and win. We're going to make a post. Obviously, it's going to look something like this. 50K rapid giveaway, 2 days to pass, daily payouts, 90-10 private split, my funded futures. Use code MM. We're giving away a rapid account today as well. So, let's go. I'll post a link to my Twitter here, my X. Tweeter. It's hard for me to call it X. I'm so used to calling it Tweeter. Again, if you follow me over there on Twitter or X, I will follow you back. We do follow you back, guys. So we'll pin that up at the top of the chat. Go like that post. And also My Funded TV, My Funded Futures. If you want to enter the My Funded Futures giveaway, you need to retweet, share the stream, and tag My Funded Futures and My Funded TV in the tweet or the whatever. And then yeah, tag me, tag Terry, tag Tom, tag Barbie, tag Matt, tag anybody, Mr. Zink, Pine Tree, all the people. Yeah, of course, Trading Star, of course. Giselle Christina, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I follow everybody back. Watch, let me get to my notifications. I'm going to knock some out right now. Let's see. Do I have any followers? I don't know. I don't even know how to get to my followers. I go this way. I go here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Sandra, Emily, William, Danny, Alyssa. These are probably half of these are probably bots. Probably bots. But I'm going to follow you back anyway. All right, guys. So if we create a swing here, then this would be a protected high. So if this candle can close here, and then we get one more candle close below it, and we get an inversion back to the downside, this will be a protected high. It'd be a really good spot to put your stop. No problem, Giselle. Appreciate you being here. Could have a 1 minute or a 30-second short opportunity here as well. Let me take a look. No real 1 minute opportunity here. It could be 30 seconds. You could just short straight off of the fact that that we create a protected high. You could. So, if we create one. So far, it's not one. Could maybe wait for the 5-minute candle to close to just have a little extra confirmation. How's everybody doing today? Is everybody nice and green? You're red? What's the deal? I'm green, 11 bucks. Yara Aprasida Pareria. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. What up, Punisher? Good morning. Traps flat. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. I'm getting a call from Los Angeles, California. No, I'm sorry, Los Altos. This is going to be a scammer. Hold on. Hello? You always know when they don't talk right away. You're green $50. Let's go. Green, green, green. I love it, Kofmer. Hey, Biblical. Two minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Have you guys already entered the giveaway for me? Exclamation point MM in the chat. I'd like the 5-minute to create a swing here as well. That would be better. Better than yesterday. One of your evals got squeezed. That's good. 140 sweet was your chance to short. 940 is another level, but she pulled up from that. Yeah. So the swing being protected there did not happen. 5-minute broke the swing, so there's the 2-minute. So I was waiting on the 5-minute. Just kind of grinding here. ES has recovered that 83 all the way up to 94 now. Feels like we're going up. Hmm. 5-minute candle did close above the 21 EMA. You need a reset day. Nothing wrong with that. You can take one of those anytime. Clarity. 5-minute inside buy was money. Where's the inside buy? Let me see. Oh, I see it. Inside buy. I don't know, guys. This thing feels like it's about to squeeze. It really does. I'm going to be patient on it. Going to be patient here. Let's just wait and see. What up, Lino? All right, Biblical. Look for a house. Good luck. I'm just watching the ES here. It looks like it, I mean, it's trying to squeeze, but not a whole lot of momentum slash energy there. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, range pretty bad here. ATR's dropping like a rock. It's down to 35. Volatility's just slowing. Slowing up on the volatility. The volatility. The best deal ever on the Rapid, guys. The best deal ever. .100 range, yeah, not giving much room for sure. Why is that not? What's the deal? $97 on the Rapid. Use code MM. $97. Got chopped in both directions. Yeah, that sucks. Here's the deal. $97. 38% off. It's a tricky spot here. I don't really know what to do here. Like, I feel like it could go either way here. I mean, I'm leaning towards equal lows in the short, but at the same time, it could go either way. Ever try to trade the Trade Sinker copier with my funded futures? I've used Trade Sinker before, and I have used it with my funded futures. I've used it with every prop. I don't love the third-party copier like the like the online copier, but it works okay. Oh, when was he doing an interview, Alito? Was that this morning? Because I had no idea. Was Trump talking this morning? I didn't know. Morning, Sovereignty. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know Trump was talking. I had no idea. I definitely would not have that 10 o'clock. That was, I got out of my trades on that. The mega spike from 50 to 180. Oh, okay, the mega spike got me out of my trade. I was long. I just thought I was amazing at picking a good level. I thought I was amazing. You was 2 points away from full TP on your short. Yeah, that sucks. And then Trump says, China, or whatever. I'm just waiting to see if we create a 5-minute swing to kind of get a protected high here. We're not getting one so far. It keeps retaking the swing. Yeah, starting a little late. What up, Lucky Mon? A little bit late. That's all right. Better late than never, I say. Or something like that. I don't know quite what the word is. Guys, we got 90 viewers, 78 likes. Let's make it even. Let's get the 90 likes. Let's get to the 100 likes. I don't know. Look at that squeeze. All right, I can't not take this. The 5-minute and the 2-minute are going to close at the same time. I can't not take this. I don't want to just jump in right now. I'm going to wait for the confirmation, but probably the best talk you ever heard. He has the best talks, the greatest talks. He's probably the best talker of all, greatest talker of all time. Very, very good. Very good. Excellent. The best talker. The best talker of all time. Indeed. I mean, it looks like the 5-minute's going to close above. It's not that obvious, but I don't know about the 2-minute. We got 30 seconds left. Actually, the 5-minute's getting a pretty decent rejection here, so this is why you wait for the close. Wait for the candle close. And you know what? I just realized something, too. I mean, that's a 100-point stop. That's the problem. 5-minute did close above. I'm going to take this based off of the 5-minute here. Based off the 5-minute closing above, and stop to break even like 95. So about 95 area, stop to break even. My code gives 97. Yes, sir. Thank you, Shobit, you the man. It is intraday clarity. The one who gets everyone killed, potentially, Trading Star. Trust Futures waiting for the short. I mean, just based off what the ES is doing and based off the pushback up here, it's the only reason I'm not shorting. But obviously, I was looking for shorts as well there. I need this 2-minute candle to close above. I don't want it to close the week here. That's a bad close. Add in there. I'm going to add in again down here at 25. Idea kind of being that'll be like the line in the sand. Usually you'd add DCA, but Financial Juice wasn't updating when I saw that news. Probably makes sense. What up, Mini Trader Financial Weeks? It's weak? Could be. It could be. I mean, again, I am kind of still, still got my short down there, but we did kind of generate a lot of trend line on the way up, but we'll see what happens. Not going to panic out of it yet. We'll see how this candle closes. See how she closes. That being said, we will very small size 2 micros. Let's go. Yeah, ES pulling back. Guys, remember 90% off our Bulenox does in today, code MM. I think does Apex is in today or is that tomorrow? 90% off Apex, code Myth. I don't know if that ended last night or not. Oh, I guess they went to 80% off now. Code Myth, MYTH. But Bulenox is still 89% off through the end of the day, so take advantage of that. Also, the Rapid Plan, $97, 50K account, use code MM. Take Private Trader, 40% off no activation fee, code MM. Trade Day, 40% off no activation fee. 30% off no activation fee, code MM. Tradeify, I think is 35% off, code MM. Lucid, you still got the 50% off the first 2 uses, 40% off the next 5, code MM. Fund and Futures Network, 40% off, buy one, get one free, code MM. You get the drift. Right? You guys get the drift. Code MM on all the prop firms. E8, code Myth, MYTH. Traders Launch, code MM, I think it's 20% off. So, guys, I do like the daily payouts on Traders Launch. Some of the other rules, a little weird. But as far as yeah, they have an activation fee, 148. Lucid Flex over the Rapid. Solo, it's just personal preference. It's up to you. It's up to you. The Rapid is daily payout. The Lucid Flex is not. So that's pretty much the difference. But what I was saying there, what was I saying? Oh, Trader's Lunch. The cool thing about Trader's Lunch is you got a $2,000 take profit, $1,000 in drawdown. All right. So once you make 2K, you got 1,000 in drawdown. You get moved to funded. Then you got to make 1,000 with 1,000 in drawdown, and you get moved to live. The cool thing is, let's say you take a trade and you make $500 on it, and you're already above the $1,000 buffer in the live account. You can literally request the payout, get paid in minutes, and continue to trade the account. The money will be removed from your account in minutes. You can get the payout in minutes, and you can continue to trade the account that day. So that's kind of cool. I like that. With Tradevate Intmont, I use Replicanto. So, yeah, that's the thing. Trust futures. There's so many options. So it's just one of those things. Like whatever you prefer, right? Whatever prop you like, whatever fits kind of your trading style the best. I don't think one prop firm is like head and shoulders above another right now. I think they all got pretty good deals. Apex offers the 20 accounts. Bulenox offers the 11 accounts. Lucid offers the flex where you can withdraw from your buffer. My Funded Futures has the rapid where you get the daily payouts. Take Profit Trader, you got daily payouts. Trade Day, you got daily payouts. So you can say something positive about all of them. They all have something positive to offer. So you only need 1,500 to get a payout. Yes, although you make 1,000 in trade. I'm assuming you're talking about Trader's Lunch. You make 1,000 in the funded stage, they move you to live. Then anything over 250 you can take out for a daily payout, and they pay you in minutes. You can continue to trade the account the same day. So it's nice. Trader's Lunch meta. So it's a 100K account. You got $2,000 profit target, $1,000 drawdown. Once you reach $2,000 profit target, they move you into a funded stage or the buffer stage. Then you got to make $1,000 with $1,000 drawdown. Once you get to the buffer stage and you get the 1,000 completed, they move you to live. Then anything over 250, you can literally take out same day at the same time. You can make a $250 trade and take it out right then, get paid right then, and continue to trade the account. That's the cool thing about them. You can have up to 5 funded accounts. I'm working on my funded accounts from them right now. I just got back into the buffer stage. I blew the other one that I had, just being stupid. But the idea, I'm going to trade those accounts on gold. The price, it depends. So the way they set it up is a little different than what you're used to. And this is where it gets a little bit. It's kind of like a strange setup. I'll show you. So the way they set it up is they have an 80-20 profit split or a 55%. Obviously the 55 is cheaper. Now the way their accounts are, you can choose to trade Asia and New York or New York only. Obviously the New York only accounts are cheaper, right? So it's a little weird in that sense. 159, you get 20% off using my code. So whatever that is, there's no activation fee. So they're a little bit more expensive, but they do work kind of like a live account. So, but it's just traderslunch.com. You're short. Let's go. Revkin Top 1 Futures Ignite. Yeah, I haven't seen that one. I think it's 20% off solo, if I'm not mistaken. 20% off. So I don't know how much that is. That's it's probably gonna be like $100, $110, whatever, after the discount. The nice thing is you don't have any qualms about getting paid because it's a live account, right? At the end of the day, it's a live account. Hey, somebody made a Quantower one. Let's go. It's like somebody made a Quantower gold indicator. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. I just realized it's 10 minutes after 11, so. What do you guys want? You want shotgun or no? Shotgun or no? All right, tagged into the ad there. Two-minute never closed above, so that's kind of rude. I'm going to just get into like exit mode here. I probably should have did that to begin with, but let's just try to get out of this. We're just in 2 micros here. Let's give me another little VWAP bounce. Five points is your bread and butter on the MES. I like 5 points. You know it's rigged, Morrison. I like 5 points on the ES. Like ES, 5 points. That's perfect. That's a great target. I like to try to work myself out of this, but I could just kill it here. I don't like that we kind of broke this trend line. Looks like we're going to run it all, so might just close it. You know what? I'll give it to 25,000. Give it to the 25K. Let's see. Everybody like the shotgun? Looks like it, 83%. All right, shotgun incoming here, guys. Oh, shit, I'm getting out of this. Just close that. All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. Do the giveaway. Or actually, let's do the shotgun. You're going to have 2 minutes to enter. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to enter. Get your accounts ready. You got but one. You got just a couple of seconds here to get your account ready. And what up, Pine Tree? Go. Exclamation point MM in the chat. 2 minutes. Enter the giveaway. Well, we kind of panicked out there, but that's all right. It's quite all right. Would have probably, I don't know if we would have been able to get out. What would have been our average, like 20? Yeah, probably not. One minute, guys. 1 minute. If you're not in the giveaway, get in there. Rude. Just did that just to stop me out. So rude. Exclamation point MM, guys. You got 20 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Poco trades. Let's go. Poco. Poco trades in the house with the win. We're not all entered. There's nothing I can do about that, Michael. I got the timer on with 2 minutes. You're in there. You think it didn't get you in? You can't try to snipe it. If you're trying to snipe it, you get messed up. So, but yeah, let me see if you're in there, Michael. I'm pretty sure I saw your name. Unless you tried to snipe it. Yeah, you're in there, Michael. One more giveaway. I can't really do one more giveaway, guys. I can't really do it. Can't do it. I got to hold on to all the giveaways I got. So, maybe next time. What is snipe? Oh, that means like trying to get in last second. But you're in, Michael. You're in. I'm looking at your name right here. See, look. You're in right there. Right there. But Poco, you know what to do. Send me an email, methodicalmen@gmail.com. Guys, I am going to be over on MyFunded TV here in about 13 minutes. Let me go ahead and get the link for you guys. Join me over there, please, guys, please. You in it early but didn't get a ticket. Yeah, you got it. It's like that sometimes. It's weird, but it got you in there. But guys, join me over on MyFunded TV here in about 10 minutes. What was the prize? The 50K rapid account. We're going to be doing giveaways over there on MyFunded TV as well. Remember, we got an X winners going to be announced, and we're going to be giving away 4 free accounts over there as well. So if you guys want to have another opportunity to win 50K rapid account, join me over there at MyFunded TV. It also shows that you guys are supporting the channel. So appreciate you guys watching, and like I said, I'll be over there on MyFunded TV in just a few minutes. I don't know if we'll be able to stream tonight. We have a baseball game. However, if I can, obviously I'll be here. So appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.